everybody, how are you? Happy August 20th, a Thursday. It's even better because it's getting towards the end of the week. So, and it's a beautiful sunny day. I wasn't putting my lights up today because you usually see the ring light like off in here. And I didn't need to do that because I have all this beautiful sunlight coming through the window. So, and no rain today. Boy, shocker on that here in the Midwest. So thank you for joining me today. It's going to be a quick post. Busy. I'm busy finishing the edit on an aftermath video that I'm doing for my lecture programs. It's a little 5-minute movie that I'm going to be showing at a lecture program for Downers Grove Library along with Downers Grove Equality in October. And speaking of October, I'm officially announcing this. I'm going to give you the link in just a minute. But Consonant Chicago, it's a choral group, choral artist group, has asked me to do a talk back after they're considering Matthew Shepard choir program in October, in which I'm going to do about 15-20 minutes just talking and explaining about Matthew and Laramie and everything they just saw, and then we'll do a Q&A part. So if you'd like to be part of that and come, it's going to be at Grace Lutheran Church if you're here in Illinois. Grace Lutheran Church in River Forest, and those dates are, I gotta look down here again, dates are October 9th, which is a Friday at 7 o'clock, and then the October 11th performance is at 3 to 5, and that's on a Sunday. So, would love to have you show up. Here is the link if you want to get your tickets right now. Get those tickets and come and say hello and see a wonderful program. Explanation about that program is right online as well. It's a beautiful choral piece with pictures and videos from Laramie, and then I'll end everything with a little talk back after the performance. So grateful for that. So thank you for everybody involved to bring me there. So that's what I'm working on in booking stuff for the fall and onward into 2027. Yep. So hope you're having a good week. I got to get back to work here. Have a great weekend ahead. I got a few things planned, a few wonderful things planned, and I will see you at the beginning of next week. Subscribe, like, and share, all that good stuff. Say hello. Give me a comment. I'd like to hear from you, and I will talk to you next week. Take care. Bye.